Good morning, my lovely friends. Today we study washing powder formula and making process. Golden brown washing powder formula. Cheapest rate with best quality. First of all, we read formula of washing powder. My lovely friend, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate 45%. It is a strong base cleaning agent. 450 gram. We making 1 kg washing powder. Sodium bicarbonate 5% enhance the cleaning efficiency, cleaner and brighter. Brightness created by sodium bicarbonate 50 gram, TSP 5%, stain remover and degrease all the oily dots. TSP 50 gram. Sodium sulfonic acid 7% to break down the surface tension. It is a strong acid. 70 gram. Shampoo base 3% foaming agent and surfactant. Shampoo base 30 gram. SLS powder 1% foaming agent surfactants. 10 gram. Sodium silicate builder buffering agent. Sodium silicate 50 gram. Color dana red and green 4% 40 gram. Perfume half gram means half percent means 5 gram. STPP 3%. Control hard water 30 gram. Gulabar salt sodium sulfate to dry liquid and we use as a filler salt, common salt. It is a filler 3%, 30 gram oxalic acid bleaching agent and remove yellow and brown stains. Oxalic acid 20 gram. Nansa base powder highly active ionic surfactant, understand 2%, 20 gram. My lovely friend, this is our formula. Now come on, we make washing powder. This is the washing powder. This is a sodium carbonate. We mix sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate in this cup. Number 1. Number 2, TSP, strong base. My lovely friend, this is a group of base. This is a group of base. We mix it carefully. And now, in second step, we mix sulfonic acid group. This is a sulfonic acid. Understand? This is a shampoo base. 8 sulfonic acid group. This is a shampoo base. 8 with a sulfonic acid group. There are 2 bowls, acid group and base group. We mix carefully. Now mix base for about 15 minutes, and this is the acid group, sulfonic acid. It is also mixed. Now we add sulfuric acid group with base. Understand? And mix for about 10 minutes. Base and acid. Base and acid react with each other, create bonding, create a molecules bonding, single bond, double bond, triple bond. Now we mix for about 10 minutes. After mixing acid and base, remaining all atoms quickly added with about STPP. Understand? Exotic acid. Understand? Now, Nansa base powder. Salt, common salt, and this is gulab salt. Gulab salt. 2 colors, 20 gram red and green also 20 gram. Now we mix it. Washing powder, best quality washing powder with the paste weight. Its chemical cost only $1, $1 American chemical cost. Excellent result. Understand? Now we add perfume. Lemon makes perfume. In the last, we added only 2 gram silicone dioxide for dryness. Silicone dioxide for dryness. Best formula. Washing powder. Best result. Best formula. Put the paste. Golden brown washing powder. Golden brown washing powder. This is the result. Best result. Shining, colorful, business super shams golden brand. This is my golden brand. Look this. This is my golden brand. Washing powder. Washing powder, golden brown. Washing powder, golden brown. God bless to all. Goodbye.